Apparently this is how you make the Big Mac sauce. Blob.
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 Cheers. It's just a rumour I heard that a Big Mac from McDonald's, the only thing that stops it from actually being classified as a dessert.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it does taste like a Big Mac, doesn't it? So, we're in lockdown, as you probably already know.
Because obviously we heard that McDonald's is closing its doors, no takeaways, no drive-throughs, nothing. And it took us a couple of days to kind of think, oh, do you know what, now you can't have it, I want a Big Mac.
Oh my gosh, it's so true. Like, McDonald's is very rare for us. It's a very rare treat. And then as soon as we had the notice that McDonald's is shutting down, I was like, I really fancy a Big Mac.
Desperately.
Desperately. So we come up with this great idea to make a Big Mac at home using what we have in our cupboards. And hopefully you guys can follow along. That's what we're doing with our quarantine time. We're making a Big Mac. Top productivity. If you're new, by the way, my name is Sophie. This is Lawrence, my boyfriend.
Hello.
And I make 3 videos. Hello.
Hello.
I make 3 videos on this channel every single week, so don't forget to subscribe. If you're excited to watch us try and make a Big Mac, give it a thumbs up, and let's just get into it. Ingredients we've gone for, I will quickly run through. So we need some bread rolls. These are probably worth £1,000 a piece at the moment.
Probably.
So we're very lucky to have these, we understand. We've got 3 because in a Big Mac you have 3 bits of bread, don't you? You need some potatoes and to go with that, a chip cutter. I will link this thing below. A lot of people have actually bought this since we've been recommending it. Lawrence and I don't buy frozen chips anymore because we make our own. It's really easy, it saves you a lot of money. It's also better for the planet. You need some seasoning, some pepper and salt, some cheese. You can get that plastic cheese. We don't have that. We had this in our fridge, so we're just going with what's in our fridge. This is that orange cheese, red Leicester. Yeah. My fave, because it's not very cheesy. You need some beef. And then, a hard bit of mayonnaise is on my finger.
Ooh, that's like, no. Go somewhere else.
Gross. These sauces, so for the Big Mac special sauce, so mayo, pickle juice, that's apparently a prime ingredient in the Big Mac sauce.
And don't forget the pickles too, you need a couple of them.
Couple of them. Things like garlic granules, bits of paprika. You can also use ketchup, but apparently that's optional. And mustard. And obviously, some onion. And then you need the most boring salad ever, some iceberg lettuce or some romaine lettuce. First thing we need to do, apparently, is make the burgers.
That's right. Part 1.
Part 1. You can actually obviously buy pre-made burgers if you don't want to make it, and you can also get vegan burgers and stuff like that. I don't know how to make a vegan burger.
I don't imagine it's very. I can't imagine it's particularly easy, to be honest.
No, I feel like there'll be loads in it. So we've got a chopping board to put our burgers on, and we've got this little thing to cut the burgers in a circle. I'll do that bit. Okay,
you don't want to get your hands all meaty. Okay, all right. Let's use that much for now.
Yeah.
If we need more, we need more.
That's a lot.
Well, yeah, we'll see. Would you like to be in charge of seasoning?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that'd be enough for now. Maybe you can add a bit more.
I can imagine they put a lot of salt on.
I could imagine so.
And sugar isn't. Oh, do we need to put sugar in the Big Mac sauce? Aren't they so sugary? They're like eating a cake.
Apparently, and this is just a rumour I heard, that a Big Mac from McDonald's, the only thing that stops it from actually being classified as a dessert is the gherkin.
I heard that.
That's a rumour I heard. I'm going to press this down pretty thinly, but I'm kind of like trying to keep it all quite tight. Now, some people put like egg in their burger mix, and that's a good idea if you want to keep it all together, but this is supposed to be a Big Mac, so we're doing it without.
We're doing it the Big Mac way. Oh, I'm actually so excited. I've just realised we're going to have a Big Mac.
I know, we're going to have a Big Mac tonight.
Oh, that's harder than it looks.
Yeah, there's like
air in it.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, let me do this.
Okay, no, I was just going to go around it.
Yeah, I need your help. You need to like not wear jeans indoors. We're in quarantine now. Lawrence is that person who wears jeans indoors, doing nothing.
But they're like the most practical clothes ever.
No, they're not. They
really are.
we've done the burgers. We did 4 patties, Krabby Patties. And you didn't watch SpongeBob SquarePants, so you don't know what I mean. No,
but we're gonna like put them in the freezer quickly while we make the sauce, just so that when we cook them, they stay together.
Yeah, just for like 20 minutes. Nothing more, you don't want them to actually freeze. So, first things first, we're gonna need a bowl. Then we need some mayo, a bit of ketchup. Now this is the secret ingredient.
If you have something called sweet pickle relish, which is a thing, if you have sweet pickle relish in your fridge or your cupboard, you can use that instead of this.
Some English mustard, we love that stuff. Garlic granules, special paprika.
Special paprika.
Lawrence's mum bought us this when they went on their cruise last year. Lucky they didn't go this year.
I know.
We've got some paprika.
Yep.
Is that it?
That's all that's going in the sauce.
Okay, let's go. Tell me the first job.
Alright, let's put a couple of big tablespoons of that in there, yeah.
Blob.
Blob.
Blob. So then a bit of English mustard.
Right.
How much? That much?
Yeah, that'll do. A teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of sweet paprika.
A teaspoon? Wow. Oh, I should have got my measures. Oh well.
Sweet, smoky, whatever your flavour.
Is that sweet?
This is sweet paprika.
Ooh, it's my favourite.
Little bits of gherkin go
So
in.
apparently, yeah, little bits of gherkin goes in the sauce.
We're going to also have some sliced gherkin in the burger.
Gherkins are the best part. They are the best part of the burger for me, thank you.
So what we also need to add is a little bit of the gherkin juice.
Ooh.
I know, so we're just going to approximate this, but it's going to be about
a massive teaspoon. Apparently this is how you make the Big Mac sauce. Wow.
Is that good? Have a look at that. That is good. Onion?
Yeah.
Do that. And what's the last thing that... Oh, we've got to do this, this lettuce. Obviously I'm going to have to wash these under the tap, but 1, 2, 3...
Onion, gherkins, check. Lettuce, check.
Yep.
Beef burgers out of the freezer. We'll fry them. And our chips are in, so that's good. And we'll start constructing the Big Mac. Very exciting.
Very good.
We're ready to build a burger.
That's what we're aiming for.
Okay, put the phone here so we can see.
Okay, alright. So we're going to put...
and cheese at the bottom.
The first bit that we put in is a bit of the special sauce.
Oh my gosh, so exciting.
Or maybe we put a little bit more than a spoon there. Okay, then we put some raw onion in.
As well, and cheese.
Lettuce, yeah, let's put a bit of lettuce in. And then I've put, there's 2 slices of cheese there, can go in. Now one of your patties.
Patty?
Then, then we put our middle slice in.
Oh, I was excited about the middle slice.
Okay, so put our middle slice on. Okay, and then
we do the same thing again?
Yeah, do the same thing again. So a bit more sauce.
Is there 3 or 2 gherkins in a Big Mac?
I think they're big. I think there's 3. Okay, and then I actually made cheese. I've got enough cheese out for like more cheese, but apparently there's no more cheese. Then we put our second patty on the top of that.
Patty. Wow, this is the biggest Big Mac ever.
Yeah, look at the state of it. It's enormous.
And then our last bun.
The last bun.
Oh my gosh. It kind of looks like a Big Mac, like a monster Big Mac.
It's a big chunky Big Mac. This is not bad for a first effort. Right.
I'm sorry, but I'm really impressed. Right, I need to lay off the raw onion.
Right.
Okay, McDonald's time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's give our monster burgers a try, shall we? Oh yes, we've got our fries here. Really easy, just get yourself a chip cutter. I will link are on below. Put them in a pan, a bit of oil of your choice. Right, ready to try our epic Big Macs?
Ready. Okay, here we go.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it does taste like a Big Mac, doesn't it?
That's unbelievable. Like,
it tastes like a really good Big Mac.
It doesn't look like a Big Mac, because I guess we're like making do with what we've got, but
yeah,
it tastes exactly like a Big Mac.
But a bit better. It has so many of the same flavours. Oh my gosh, that's so tasty. Wow, out of 10.
I'm going to say it's like a 9.
I'm going to say a 9. But it tastes so similar.
It tastes like a really like premium Big Mac.
Yeah.
Like the best Big Mac, freshest Big Mac you've ever had.
Yeah, premium Big Mac. Wow, okay, we're going to enjoy this now. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I think we're also going to do this with other fast food type places. KFC, Nando's, and whatever else you want to see. So let us know your suggestions down below.
Yes. Thanks for watching.
Okay, love you very much, and goodbye.
Bye.